In today's video, we will be looking at a bunch of alternatives for the OnePlus Nord. Why look for an alternative? I don't know, maybe you guys do. The phones which I'll be showing you today will have similar specs to the rumored OnePlus Nord and will be available at the same price or even lower. What do you think will be the price of the OnePlus Nord? Let me know in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's get started. Many of you might be familiar with the specifications of the OnePlus Nord and some of them don't. So let me go through the specifications of the Nord really quick for the people who don't know. Remember, these are just rumors and these may or may not be true. The OnePlus Nord will officially be launched on 21st of this month. The display size will be around 6.4 inches and very similar to the OnePlus 70 in terms of height and width. It has a refresh rate of 90Hz and an aspect ratio of 20:9 along with AMOLED display. The rear panel is said to be glass with curved edges towards the sides along with aluminum alloy frame. Out of the box, it is supposed to run Android 10 with Oxygen OS. OnePlus has also confirmed that the phone will be using Snapdragon 765 processor which fits in with the rumors. There is a 10GB RAM and a 128GB or 256GB storage rumored too. So there are still some impressive specs here for this budget. As for the number of cameras on the rear, the most recent leak suggests that there will be 4 cameras on the back. Those rear cameras are suggested as 14MP main, 8MP ultra wide, 5MP macro sensor and along with the 2MP depth sensor camera. There are dual cameras at the front with 32MP camera and an 8MP ultra wide lens. And thanks to the case leak that shows the internal of the phone, a battery of 4115 mAh looks to be powering things in. The expected price will be around 34,000, but some sources claim it to be under 27k. We don't have a bunch of alternatives for the OnePlus Nord, but the phones which I'm going to show are not a joke, so please take them seriously. At number 3, we have the Xiaomi Poco X2. The phone comes with a 6.67-inch display, making the phone undoubtedly large. The aspect ratio of 20:9 helps a bit with the reachability, but it's still hard to access some parts of the screen with your thumb. The central mid-frame is made of plastic with Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and rear. The downside of using all that glass is that it makes the phone slippery. The phone weighs approximately 210 grams, which means it will be difficult to handle the phone just using a single hand. Poco X2 comes with water repellent coating, which means you don't have to worry about your phone getting wet in the rain. Xiaomi ships the phone with the latest Android 10 and MIUI 11. The Snapdragon 730G offers a top-notch performance and the Poco X2 will breeze through all your apps and usage scenarios. Also, the Poco X2 comes with an octa-core processor and Adreno 618 GPU, so you won't face any issues while running any app. The thing which makes the phone pretty similar to the Nord is the quad camera setup at the back and the dual front camera for selfies. The primary 64MP rear camera uses the Sony IMX686 sensor. There is also an 8MP ultra-wide camera, 2MP macro camera and a 2MP depth sensor. The primary selfie camera has a 20MP resolution and is accompanied by a 2MP depth sensor. The Poco X2 has a 4500 mAh battery and was advertised that it can charge up a phone up to 67% in just 30 minutes. It is available in 3 color variants: Atlantis Blue, Matrix Purple and Phoenix Red. The Poco X2 has a 64GB storage and a 6GB RAM variant and comes at around 17,500 at Amazon and Flipkart, and the links to every phone along with the basic accessories will be in the description. Moving on to number 2, we have the Redmi K20 Pro with a big 6.39-inch AMOLED display to dominate the front of the phone, giving the Redmi K20 Pro a screen-to-body ratio of 19.5:9. The front and rear panels are made up of Gorilla Glass 5 and the frame is made up of aluminum. The phone weighs about 191 grams and comes with Android 9 and MIUI 11 out of the box. It comes with Snapdragon 855 chipset, which is way more powerful than that of OnePlus Nords. Xiaomi mentions that it uses 8 layers of graphite sheets to help dissipate heat, meaning you won't have to worry about your phone turning into a bomb while using it. The Redmi K20 Pro has a triple camera setup at the back. There is a primary camera which uses a 48MP which uses Sony IMX586 sensor. There is also a 13MP ultra wide camera. The third camera that is 8MP with 2x optical telephoto lens. At the front, this phone has a 20MP pop-up selfie camera which has sapphire glass to prevent scratches. K20 Pro comes with a 4000 mAh battery, fast charging support and quick charge 4+. Unlike the other phones in the market, this phone has 4 different color options: carbon black, flame red, glacier blue and pearl white. The Redmi K20 Pro is available in 2 variants, one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage priced at around 25,000 and the other with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage priced at around 30,000. At the top of the list, we have the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. Oppo Reno 3 Pro has a big 6.4-inch AMOLED display with full HD+ resolution. The display is tall and reaching the upper edge isn't very easy when using the phone single-handed. It has an aspect ratio of 20:9. The display is made of Gorilla Glass 5 and the body is made of plastic, so you don't have to worry about your phone getting super cold when in an AC room. Oppo Reno 3 comes with Android 10 and ColorOS 7 and has MediaTek Helio P95 chipset, which is as powerful as Snapdragon 730G. It is an octa-core processor with 2 ARM Cortex A75 cores and 6 Cortex A55 cores. Premium Oppo smartphones are known for their camera performance, and this mid-range device doesn't let you down. It packs a quad camera setup at the back consisting of a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 13 megapixel telephoto camera, an 8 megapixel ultrawide camera with an 119-degree field of view, and a 2 megapixel mono camera. At the front, this phone has a 44 megapixel selfie shooter with a 2 megapixel depth sensor for bokeh shots. The Reno 3 Pro is powered by a 4025 mAh battery and supports fast charging and has Hook 4.0. It was advertised that it can charge up a phone up to 50% in 20 minutes or less. Oppo offers the Reno 3 Pro in 3 colors: Auroral Blue, Midnight Black and Sky White. The base variant of the Reno 3 Pro with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage at around 29,000 at Amazon. If you manage to get your hands on one of these phones, don't hesitate to buy it. We have now reached the end of today's video. If this video was helpful, drop a like and feel free to subscribe to my channel and tell me where should I improve in the comment section down below. Until then, this is Hari signing off. Bye bye. Stay tuned, stay safe.
But that's alright. Hush.